Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer with Party with Favor, and today I'm going to show you how you can make this twig Christmas tree. Here's what you will need: 5 sticks, twine, scissors, and a tape measure. If you are going to give gifts to your guests, give them something worth keeping. Give them a lifelong memory. If you would like to make these little rustic Christmas ornaments, click on the link below. You will gain access to this free pattern along with my other free project resources. I have also linked a step-by-step video tutorial. I have this merry little tree hanging in my guest bathroom, but I believe that it would make a wonderful gift display next to the front door of your event. Encourage your guests to untie one of the decorative Christmas ornaments as a gift for them as they leave your party. To start this project, gather your sticks. My sticks are 22 inches, 16 inches, 12 inches, 9 inches, and 6 inches long. Of course, you can use whatever size that you desire. Lay out your sticks with the largest on the bottom and the smallest on the top. Next, attach each of your sticks with twine. I pre-cut my twine at 12 inches long. Try to keep each of your sticks at the same distance apart. It is a little easier to check spacing if you only tie a single knot to begin with. Once you are pleased with the spacing, go ahead and double knot your strings. I have spaced my wooden sticks at 3.5 inches apart. This project doesn't have to be perfect, just try to keep it close to the same distance so that your tree doesn't look crooked. For the top hanging string, I cut my twine at 16 inches long. Attach both ends of the string to the smallest stick. For the final step, cut the excess string pieces off of your twine. Be careful not to cut them too short or they will come untied. And just like that, you are done. Wasn't that an easy project? As a reminder, these wood-burned Christmas ornaments look fantastic on this rustic tree. Click on the link below to access the free pattern. If you like this party favor suggestion, like and subscribe below. I pray that you have an amazing Christmas with your friends and family members. God bless you and your upcoming event.